part 2 of Chapter 5. Mama's horrible snake voice came out again and said, "If you ever, the match got closer and closer to Byron's skinny brown finger, play with, no, if you ever even look at." Byron's hand was shaking and he was crying like a big baby, but his finger still stayed out. "Another match in this house." The match was getting closer and closer, and I knew Byron could feel the heat. "I will personally, by myself." It was so close now that I thought I could hear the sweat on Byron's finger getting turned into steam and going, "Psst. I will burn not just one finger. I will burn your entire hand, then send you to juvenile home." Byron closed his eyes and screamed. Right when the fire was going to give him a good roasting, Joetta ran across the room and, sounding like that little engine that thought it could, she blew the match out before it got him. She thought she missed, though, because she stood there huffing and puffing and patooing at the match, even after it went out. Mama's hand, Byron's finger, and the match were soaked with Joey's slob. "Honey, we agreed, didn't we?" "Yes, Mommy." Joey looked down and said, "But I thought you got 'em." "Not yet, sweetheart, but I'm going to." 4 more times Mama lit a match, and 4 more times Joey patooed them out. Finally, Mama got sick of having slob all over her hand and gave up. That night, Byron had to deal with Dad. No picnic, but a lot better ending to his Nazi parachute movie than Captain Byron Watson gets captured and burned alive by the evil snake woman with his own flamethrower of death.